Thankfully, the losing sequence finally comes to an end at Molineux.
Stockwell battling well for it. Prevented the corner. Still conceded another throw. Cook. Stockwell doing well. Came off Venus though. Bennett in there. Bull. Tremendous work by Bull. Set it up for Paul Birch. And Wolves take the lead. It'll be taken by Neil Thompson. Plenty of blue shirts in the box. Stahl coming to collect it, but Linnigan. And it's in the back of the net. Yes, and the referees awarded it. And Kerr. It could fall for Dazelle, and it has. Gets away from Ashley and puts Ipswich Town into the lead.